Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Cooper car key battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. You'll need a new CR 2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which is widely available. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool will assist in opening the key fob without causing damage. Let's get started and give your key fob fresh power. Now, let's open up your key fob. Begin by finding the small silver button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly and simultaneously pull out the integrated metal emergency key. This key is essential for the next step. Insert the tip of the metal key, or your pry tool, into the small slot on the fob's casing. Gently twist or pry to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob, revealing the interior. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery nestled in its compartment. Take your metal key or a small, pointed object and gently push or lift the old battery out. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Now, take your new CR 2032 3-volt battery. Place it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the integrated metal emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks into place. Finally, test your newly powered key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your Mini Cooper. It should now respond perfectly, giving you reliable access to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.